everybody. We have a lot of Roblox news to talk about today. So, I might start changing into like a Roblox channel that tells you how to do things. I will also do some gaming. So there's new items, free back items, and RB Battles is going out, so is Ready Player 2, right here. So these guys. So, yeah. And so, in Beast Swarm Simulator, you can get this cool hat. So you have to go to the shop. Yeah. And so, also, to get the sword, just watch Dieter plays. It'll be easier than me, because it kind of kicks me out, so I can't really do it. But, so, I'm eating right now, if that's okay. Alright. Alright, so over there, you have to go get these cool goggles. There's some codes. Go watch Dieter Plays for those, then come back to this channel. And so over by the Black Bear, there's going to be a TV. And then, yeah. And then, so he's going to show 3 things. And so you got to put them in on here. And then, if it has smiley faces, that means you did it. And so over here, see how this is here? This is the second step for me. So, oh shoot. And when this is full, I learned that it won't let you do things. So, you know. Let's get this. Don't give me. So, yeah. So watch Dieter Plays to get this one. So yeah, after that, after you get all those 3 smiley faces, return there again. And you're gonna see this thing, 3 codes. And so first you have to go up here. So there's gonna be the TV going around everywhere. He's gonna be going around everywhere. Like he's gonna go everywhere, just like showing you how to do it, like showing you what your thing is. And so, oh dude. No guys, I'm not gonna show you how to do it anymore, I'm sorry. But I'm gonna make a separate video on this. Actually no, just watch Dieter Plays. Search up DEETER and then space PLAYS or Z. Yum yum yum. Okay. Alright. So what should we play? Let's play some Train vs. Cars. This game is pretty fun. You guys should like it. Go play it after the video. So 3-year-olds watching, don't do this at home. Like, don't do this in real life. And also, because if you do, then you're gonna have a face like that, and then you're gonna be like, Daddy, what happened to me? And then your daddy's gonna be like, I don't know, son, but you're probably gonna die. and then you die happily ever after. So we're just gonna wait here until we get hit by a train. Oh gosh, they updated the trains. So yeah, I just got hit. I did just get hit. I really did. I'm happy. And happy Thanksgiving, by the way. I don't post a video on... I'm not posting a video on Thanksgiving. I don't want to ruin your Thanksgiving if you guys are fans. I don't want people to watch when I'm on Thanksgiving. I'm going to post a new video today of me doing another one of those try not to laugh vids. Kill me. Please. Okay. Well, now I needed to do that. I'm sorry. So we're gonna try getting killed again. No. Kill me. I'm gonna cheat. I just want to get hit. Just hit me, please. Alright, guys. We're just gonna get in this bus and see what happens. So I have to do something entertaining. Let's just find out some glitches in this game. Well, I found this. Eat noob on top of a train. Oh, I'm getting hit. Kill me. Go, go, go. We're gonna do the glitch and we're gonna go flying off the map. We're gonna jump. I have French fries. Run. No! I died. Look at this. That is truly beautiful. No. Ooh. Ooh. If it's 7:02. Oh. Do you guys see that? Floating car. Oh, what is this? Game is broken. Oh, what? We have no gravity. Alright, we're gonna see if that's here later. Come on, noob buddy. Bacon buddy. Why are the noobs? Other noobs in the bus? Hi. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. He kicked me out. He just kicked me out of my job. What is this? What? Let's just find out all the glitches. There's probably a lot. What's this? What do you do? RR crossing. He was drifting. Well, we know how laggy it is. Okay. Okay. This is nice. And I did make a video called Buy My Stuff. Oh, you buy my game passes or whatever. That game didn't come out yet. I'm just waiting till Christmas time. March out! 2020. Run. Banana. Why'd you kill me? No! There they are. Who's gonna win? Oh! I'm gonna win. Right now, I'm winning backwards. Oh no. No. Get out of my sight, kid. Oh! Oh! This is sad. All I know is that I'm gonna get hit. Alright, everyone. That's it. Like, I mean, that's it, but like, I'm about to die. FGTV! Come back! FGTV! Like this video. If your name is Jack, Colin, Duke, no, and also subscribe if you, and also shout out to you if this is you, and also if your name is Eden, Leo, Connor, Peter. Alright, that's it for the shout outs. There's gonna be some more. That's if you have to subscribe and watch all my videos and like the videos and all them. You don't even have to watch the whole thing, just keep pressing it. Because we want your boy to get to 20,000. I won! Yeah! I didn't die that time. Yes! Yes, I'm alive! Yes, are you... Yay! Yay! Oh, yeah. Kill me. Deja vu, and then no, it's... Alright. This is amazing. Deja vu. I just want to get hit, like, really bad. Let's see if this bus still works. Yeah. Alright, yeah, let's go find out all the glitches. No! This isn't really a glitch, it's just being mean. Why'd they knock over Grandma's furniture? Mm. What? Yay! I got... Yeah! I finally got out at last. Goodbye, world. Yes, Kurt. No. Wow. I didn't die. Alright, everybody, that's it for this one. Bye.